going on, guys? Welcome. With the guys, we got ORG 4Runner and Smith T4R and the truck. Of course, we're out here. I think we're about an hour away from Pismo. We're gonna be doing the dunes, maybe today or tomorrow, doing some camping, and then I don't know what we're doing tomorrow. I'm riding the wave, as far as I know. We're just hanging out. Daniela, Jay's wife, has a meeting, so she's doing her meeting at Starbucks. We're just hanging out and trying to figure out what we're doing today. So, pretty rough start to the day. We were supposed to meet up at 9 in Union City. My front door bolt got stuck, so I had to fix that before I left. My water port is leaking. I don't know if you can see that, dripping a little bit. So it's leaking. I'm trying to fix it. I twist it, and it explodes. I get all wet. I have to go back and change, and then I have to fix this. It's still not fixed. I just wrapped it up with some Teflon tape, and so just the morning was crazy. I hit up Waterport to see if they could fix it for me, and they just told me to go to any store and buy like a hose washer for this, and it should fix the issue. If not, we'll talk more about it later. That was the start of my morning. It was pretty hectic. We were supposed to meet up at 9. We ended up leaving at about 10, but we're all good now, I guess, aside from this leakage. I think we're gonna go hit the dunes. See you guys there. We made it to the dunes. Had a little bit of fun. You're not supposed to do anything crazy here. It's like a 15 mile per hour area, so we're gonna head to the back a little bit later. We're just hanging out really fast. Daniela is in a meeting. She's in the meeting on the beach, so we're just waiting for her to get done, and then we're gonna head over. But this is Cement T4R, OG Foreigner. I've seen it before. The rigs.
It's not
solid stuff. Yeah, we'll catch you when we get to the backside. Before we cut out, I know I said I was gonna hit you with the update, but look at this flag.
Hey, who put this here? Look at this.
So that was the most fun 15 minutes I've ever had in the rig. We're just gonna air up now, head back. The reason why it's only been 15 minutes is because we're kind of on a time crunch. We gotta meet some other people up and head up to the mountains and do some camping. So stay tuned. We'll get back to you later.
You don't feel like wasted time. You don't talk like it's a lie. I might be falling for you. I hate to say it, but it's true. You don't scare so easily. You don't come with dirty deeds. I think I'm falling for you. I hate to say it, but it's true. If you say what you want from me, if you say what you want from me, yeah, I give all that I can to please. I give all that I can to please. I like where it's going, where this is going, like what you're doing. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. Yeah, my heart's got a feeling. It's got a feeling like how it's beating. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always.
Yo, so we are at camp. Yeah, met up with more people, some dudes. I'm still learning names. Jake, I think. Wait, where's the other guy? Wait, we're missing one. Oh wait, no.
I have my
Q. And then June, I think. The rigs we met up earlier. We're just setting up camp now. I think I'm gonna take a shower. I don't know if this is a good idea, but gotta get this salt off me. So when I camp, everything is in bins. Love bins. This is all my cooking stuff, all the camping stuff. My water is leaking onto my sleeping stuff. Of course, the pooper. Can't leave the house without it. We got everyone here.
Hi.
Hey,
Wait, what is this?
it's a video.
Ah. Hello.
I forgot to show you guys the situation. The Tundra and I are both max tracking it up just to get a little bit more flat. I'm pretty flat, I hope. Before I set up, you want to go check out the view? Views. All right, bro. I gotta get set up. Now it's recording.
Yeah.
Careful with that. Careful.
I told him we should open it before. Hi. Hi.
Oh, really want to do this? Oh, yeah.
Give it back to him. I said if he drops it, he'll just give me your 10.
Cheers!
It is now getting kind of dark. Just got done taking a shower right before the sunset. YouTube, please don't DMCA me for this music. But yeah, let's have some fun, get some drinks in, and eat some good food. I don't know how well you can see this, but I'm kind of buzzed already. Started drinking, but this is camp. I don't know how well you can see it. Yeah, I'm just gonna get to cooking and then chill, and we'll take a sleep after that. This is my dinner right here. It's basically just SpaghettiOs. I don't know, tomato soup. with some noodles. Yup. Alright, so we're just gonna hang out and then turn out. Turn up, then turn out. You guys have a good night. Have a good night.
One, two, three.
I'm tired. My face is. Good morning, guys. Drink a lot. Drink a lot. I'm very tired. Good morning. Kind of a rough night. It's a lot of drinking. A lot of drinking. A lot of port. Still dripping. The bed's all cleaned up. Chairs are still out. But for the most part, we're almost done. So I think this is about where we end the video. We're just hanging out at this little parking area. Met some new people, had some good fun, got really drunk. And then, yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys have any questions about any of the stuff that we did, hit up the comment section or hit me up on Instagram at RomanJom. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one. Peace.